A radar operator watches the screen as an aircraft appears for only a split second, then vanishes. It isn't a glitch. It isn't science fiction. It's the kind of technology researchers are exploring for the next generation of fighter aircraft. What makes a sixth-generation fighter jet different from the advanced aircraft we see today? Is it speed, stealth, artificial intelligence, or something even more revolutionary? To understand the future, we need to look at the past. Fighter aircraft have evolved through generations, each bringing new breakthroughs in speed, radar, maneuverability, and stealth. But the next generation isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Sixth-generation fighter jets are not defined by one single feature. They represent a combination of advanced stealth, artificial intelligence, sensor fusion, secure networking, and autonomous support systems. Stealth is no longer only about shape. Researchers are studying materials, heat management, and electronic signatures to make future aircraft harder to detect. Imagine a fighter jet that can process information faster than any human pilot alone. Advanced onboard computers may help organize data from radar, infrared sensors, satellites, and other aircraft. But what happens when the aircraft can see everything around it at once? Sensor fusion combines information from multiple systems into one clear picture. Instead of looking at separate screens, the pilot receives a more complete understanding of the battlefield. Artificial intelligence may assist pilots by highlighting threats, organizing information, and suggesting options, while humans remain responsible for critical decisions. One of the most exciting concepts is the loyal wingman, autonomous drones designed to fly alongside a piloted fighter and support its mission. But the most surprising technology may not be inside the aircraft at all. Future fighters may operate as part of a connected network, sharing information with drones, satellites, ships, and ground forces in near real time. Researchers are exploring new engine technologies that could improve efficiency, extend range, and provide more power when needed. Modern aircraft must operate in complex electromagnetic environments, protecting their communications and responding to electronic threats. And this is where sixth-generation fighters become more than just aircraft. Future fighters may act as flying command centers, coordinating information from multiple platforms and helping manage complex operations. Advanced helmet displays and automation could reduce pilot workload and improve awareness during demanding missions. Building a sixth-generation fighter is one of the most complex engineering challenges in the world, requiring years of testing, materials research, and software development. But the future of air combat may change faster than anyone expects. Developing advanced aircraft requires enormous investment in research, manufacturing, training, and maintenance. The next decade may bring aircraft that operate alongside autonomous drones, satellites, and ground systems as one connected team. Around the world, nations are researching technologies that could shape the next era of military aviation. So what will truly define the next generation of air power? Will artificial intelligence, stealth, advanced propulsion, or autonomous drones become the defining feature of sixth-generation fighters? The answer may shape the future of aviation for decades. From advanced stealth and artificial intelligence to autonomous wingman drones and secure networks, sixth-generation fighter jets represent the next chapter in aerospace engineering. The future of air power is still being written, and WarTech will be here to explore every breakthrough. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe and tell us in the comments, which future military technology should we cover next?